Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Ma'am Riri. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to earn while playing. Crosswave released a new game, what we called Club M Star. So, Club M Star, is it Web3 integration or just a campaign? So let's talk about it. Club M Star is participating in Crosswave, a blockchain-based creator reward platform powered by the Cross ecosystem. This participation may indicate a step towards deeper Web3 integration, but it is also possible that it is just a temporary marketing campaign. The strategy and infrastructure involved in this collaboration suggests that it could be a significant move for Club M Star within the blockchain gaming space. So basically, Club M Star is a social rhythm game that combines dance, music, and style. Customize your unique character and enjoy a variety of rhythm game modes with friends. So in Club M Star, you can dance, sing, and design or customize your outfit and modify your own character. At the same time, you can interact with your online friends. Club M Star is under Crosswave. So alam naman natin na kapag Crosswave, kumikita tayo dito ng mga points at pwede natin ito i-convert into USDT and USDT into peso. So ang gagawin lamang po natin sa Club M Star ay pwede tayong gumawa ng mga content ng mga videos na kung saan pwede tayong gumawa ng tutorials kung paano maglaro, kung paano bihisan ang mga characters at galingan na lamang po natin sa pag-e-edit para mas kumita tayo ng mas malaking points. Paalala lamang po na ang Club M Star ay isang progressive game. So it means meron lamang itong 20,000 reward pool. Pwede pa po itong tumaas depende sa ibibigay ng Crosswave. So kailangan lamang po nating i-maintain at mas pataasin pa ang ating mga points. Ilan pa lamang po iyan sa mga information na maaari nating malaman sa Club M Star. So for more information and updates, just follow my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.